Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and start the hunt for today. ASPP. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let's get right to it and discuss the market. We got ASPP jumping everybody right now in the pre-market, but now it's pulling back a lot. The pre-market. We got glue looking interesting. AMOD pulling back a lot here, so it is a bit risky here. We got MNTS pulling back as well. Mask did a really good job in the pre-market, hit the profit taken around the 55 and now pulling back. AZI, yes, we got an early breakout, but still have a resistance around this level. BNAI is still okay. And let me just check again the main stocks for today again. VTYX, ASPP, Lucy. Yes, Lucy, the juicy is hitting the scan. Let's check Lucy. Interesting. We got Lucy. Lucy looking interesting. Okay, Lucy is getting near the $1.83. ASPP, it need to break the 18 to go up and hold now over the 15. Really critical zone for ASBP. And glue. So we got a few stocks. This one have a really good news regarding the early stage trial result was really good for glue. So those the main stocks for today: glue, ASPP, and Lucy. Yeah. And the other one is glue. So for Lucy, we need to hold the current support now, which is over the 150 to go toward the 183. ASPP, we need to hold the 15 to go toward the 18, and glue, we need to hold the 21 to go around the 24.90. Let's see how much we're missing here. Yes, 8% at least. All of them have a huge news in the pre-market. The rest is a maybe because they pulling back really hard. BNAI is still okay because it's getting near a resistance here. Good morning, guys. Hit the like button on the way, and don't forget. Remember, we always go live every day to discuss the market. Welcome, welcome, wherever you are. Let's get right to the business. Welcome, everybody. Glue, yeah, unicorn, doing all right. Gem, let's go. Yes. Martin Apollo, we are here. Clifton, I will pray for you. Beyond Meat had short increased to almost 800K. Yesterday started today at increase 1.4 million. 35% short interest. Thank you, Karina, for let us know. Nope, I don't count. Is bad omen. If you count your money will be short. Poor people count money, man. If you have billions, you can't count it. You don't need to count. Even if you have $1, you don't need to count. Money is an illusion. It's just paper been printed. So don't count the money. Count the blessing. Count the good memories. Count the adventures. Count the good friends you have. Count um, the good things that you should do to people. Those are the things you should count, not money, man. Clifton, come on, man. Don't count money. Good morning, everybody. Sally. Yes, everybody waiting for Beyond Meat earnings and APLD. EMATs. Let's see the top loser for today. EMATs 25% down. Not good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep Lucy. Let's check the other list. VYTX. VTYX was really good in the pre-market. Yeah, it tested did double top around the 1760 and didn't recover. Beyond Meat is getting near the 96, but there's a chance for a reversal for today. ESBP is started to reverse up. Yeah, and Lucy is getting near an interesting resistant. Yeah, around the 180. We hit the 176. 176. Yeah, we might test the 180 at the market open, then we pull back. So be careful. For Lucy, it just came right now in the pre-market. We got report for eyewear report record sale growth. Yes, huge record sale. ASPP, we got FDA for high dose aspirin. Yeah, OTASA drug have FDA meeting, successful pre-meeting. So it's not FDA approved yet, but a good yeah. Anyway, so we got few stocks to watch, and Glue have a good result for we got showing strong safety, good stage trial results for Glue. So one for good growth for the quarter earnings, ASPP for potential FDA approval, and Glue for a good result for a trial result. Really early stage trial result was really good for day drug. So those the main stocks. All of them have strong news lately. That's why we keeping those three stocks. Top three stocks, top news. What the hell? We got some green for B. Come on, Palantir. We waiting for green at the market open, guys. We need some green for Palantir. Plug is green. We got a nice reversal from the market. INTC the same, going 1%. We're waiting for Palantir to go on the green side as well. Come on, Palantir. Yeah, I expect 2% for Palantir today or more. Yesterday we did 3, the day before 3. Today, if we did 4, would be even better to break the 182.90. Yeah, at least around 188. Yeah, to do 5%. Palantir for a 5% today. We expect 5% at least. So watch out for Palantir, guys. B, we have a huge jump as usual. Always volatility for B. Jump 3% or almost 4% really quickly. Yes, it's just few minutes, man. This is crazy. APLD is backed in earnings today. That's why jumping almost 3%. Anyway, so we got ASPP start to reverse up, tested the support 15 right now. Lucy looking great, Glue looking great. Those the main stocks for today. The rest I don't like that much. VYTX flushed. This one as well, OBTT. So yeah, I'm gonna watch Lucy because it's getting near the 181 before the market open. Guys, don't forget to hit the like on the way in. We always go live every day to discuss the market. Bottom, yeah. Okay, we got some requested stock here. George asked about Netflix and Eatrice asked about LAC. Let's see. LAC first and Netflix. Okay, Eatrice. I don't know if you hear me. Eatrice, I will cover um okay, Eatrice, I'm covering it for you right now. For luck, it didn't change the resistance, brother. The resistance profit taken still around 565. I think we already did the chart update and the chart didn't change. The support still around the 479 and bottom 425. It's getting near a major breakout zone. Yesterday we did almost 5%. This is crazy. In 8 days we did 14%. A good reversal. So yeah, watch for the 6 and the 653. Yeah, and a really interesting reversal since January. What a surprise reversal here. 27% in 5 or 6 days. Really crazy. Now I understand why you asked me about LAC because yeah, it reversed big time after the bad earnings last November. Interesting. And I think we got earnings coming up yeah, in March. This is it for LAC. I will keep it there. to watch it more. Netflix broke the support around the 95. Now it's going toward the 82. Yes, we got a really good support around the 82. So if we pull back, we might pull back 9 or 7% would be great for a good entry. For now, we have a resistance around the 97.26 and then the 109. Yeah, too far, or around the 104, yes. 97.26 is the current resistance. Yeah. Bottom should be 82.48. But yeah, Netflix looking really juicy here. And earnings is coming up on the 20th of January. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna put Black and Netflix. Both looking really juicy here. Okay. And not bad. B is going strong. APLD going strong. And Palantir, hopefully we're gonna have a green day for today. Watch out, guys. Palantir, there's a switch in the buying pressure. I expect at least in coming days the 188 to be tested again. This is by far the best swing trade for this week and beginning of this year. Palantir, it is the one to watch for today, guys. Really looking juicy and undervalued. What else we got? We got Lucy, guys. The Juicy. Lucy, the Juicy hit our profit taken around the 180. ASBP is pulling back. Glue pulling back. So Lucy is number one, guys. Hit our profit taken right now around the 180. Lucy, the Juicy. Okay, her shout out to one of our new member. Shout out to Paul Mercier. Paul for becoming a hunter. Thank you for the support, brother. OPTT. Paul, I will check it for you right now. OPTT. I think we already checked it early on our Discord. I took it from the list for a reason because it is light on volume, brother. I don't like the volume here. It's pretty light. However, if you want to trade it, watch out for the support around the 42 and the 38. And if we broke the 47, make sure to take profit around just below the 50 and the 54. Those two levels of hot spots to take profit, because once we test those levels, we might have a pullback. This is for OBTT Paul. Going back to the main list, Lucy. Average volume, yes, but in a pre-market is light on volume. Even the average volume is a bit light. Is barcoding, is waiting for big buyer at the market open. We'll see because the volume will change hour by hour. I'm not saying it's dead. CRML was up yesterday. I don't care about yesterday. I want today, man, because sometimes stock is up 100% yesterday and the day is 100% down. Okay, Lucy is the juicy one. Glue is pulling back. What else we got here? AMOD is pulling back up, reversing. We got few minutes left, guys. Few minutes left. Let's see if we're gonna have a green day. Holy moly. Yeah, Palantir, we have a big buyer for it. Hopefully, we're gonna have a huge green day for Palantir today as well. Now there is some green coming up for Palantir. We got B breaking out. Come on, we need a few green levels for Palantir. Yeah, another 2%. Maybe at the market open, we see this jump. No, it is on the green side. Okay, we got few seconds left, guys. Hit the like button on the way in, don't forget. Yeah, B is going up really crazy, taking all the volume from the market. Lucy is about to break here. Hopefully, we're gonna break this level at the market open. We got few seconds left. Hit the like button on the way in. Lift off. Let's have a lift off. Let's go. Let's go. Lucy is about to break here. Lucy is about to break, everybody. ASPP, the same. Glue is pulling back down. So glue is not good now, is too dangerous. The best two right now. Glue, I will give it a bit of chance to reverse here. Yeah, I will give it a bit of chance. Yeah, around the 2176. So it's not bad. Lucy is number one, guys. And maybe Musk. BNAI is a bit slow for today. Glue still looking great. So Glue number two and Lucy number one. ASPP is pulling back. We got a big seller for ASPP around the 16 or almost 17. Yeah, so Lucy, it is number one. Glue number two. Okay, Lucy, guys, let's see if we're gonna have some action toward the $2. Yes, Lucy, looking juicy for today. You see, we got a breakout for this flag for Lucy. Yeah, the only one that looked great, guys, is Lucy. Remember, guys, Lucy before a squeeze big time. Lucy broke many levels before and squeezed a lot. So today we should watch out for Lucy, one of the top stocks. Yeah, BNAI is still okay, still strong. Watch out, BNAI, guys, looking fantastic. So we got three stocks right now looking great. BNAI, of course, because it's near the $4.89. Because if we broke this level, we might have another squeeze up for BNAI. As a reminder, BNAI, we already did the chart for it on our Discord and Bitcheon before, guys. And we suggest for a breakout from the 426 toward the 490 and beyond. And yeah, it was really great hunt. The best entry was around the $2. Yeah, $2.13. It was the best entry for BNAI because I think we did another update for BNAI before that for a better entry because it was around the $2. Now it's around the 4. As you can see here, it was around the $2.13. This the last update that we did. We did around the 29th of December last year. You see, the price was around the $2.13, and we have a really good entry average around the $2.13 precisely, as you see here. And from there, we did almost 116%. And now it could be good to just do trailing stop for it and never exit as long as we hold the $4 and ride it toward the 533 and beyond. However, because it took a lot of time, we didn't break this level, we could actually exit from this trade. So this is the hardest thing to do, guys, in trading is knowing when to say enough is enough. Because a lot of traders lost a lot of money once they were trading GameStop and AMC before. Good afternoon, John. SMX, Norma. How you doing, Norma? It's been a while. SMX, one of the top stocks before, and hopefully, yeah, 6% now, 20%, $20.60. What's going on? Yeah, it's flushed down. SMX have a huge resistance around 26 normal. Watch out for this resistance because if we broke it, we might have a pullback. And after that, we have the 39. So this is the major resistance right now to break for SMX. And the 39 is a bit far, so I'm gonna put another profit taken or exit around 28 and the 34, yes. But yeah, watch out for the current support right now is around the 18 and the bottom is around the 15. But now we have to break the 23, 26 to go toward the 28. Yeah, SMX got flushed big time. If you don't know, guys, it was one of the top gainer before last year in December. We were around the 500. Imagine right now is $20. It's crazy. Lucy, it's the juicy. Lucy is getting hammered right now, yes, because it got near a major resistance zone around almost the $2, as we said. Now it's pulling back, so make sure to take profit, guys, because I think we hit the major hurdle around or below the $2. For now, we got support around the 173. Glue reversing the 21. BNAI is pulling back. Mask, on the other hand, is pulling back as well. ASPP pulled back a lot, so I'm gonna take it from the list. So yeah, we only got those stocks that look great for today. Let us check again the top stocks for today. If we got something. Lucy, number one, Glue, VYTX. We got CAPT, maybe will be a good candidate to watch. NVVE hitting the scan. Let's see. CAPT. Okay, CAPT, we have a reversal like SMX from the bottom. Yeah, 35%. Maybe I will keep it on the waiting list. CAPT. But yeah, still number one, Lucy, because it held the support, guys, over the 173. Glue the same. It's getting near the breakout. BNAI maybe is the time to exit from this trade. The yeah, BNAI I think is wise to exit from BNAI right now, guys. It's too dangerous. Yeah, BNAI is getting near interesting zone. But yeah, we got a big seller still around the 5 or the 489. That's why we didn't test this level yet. Let us check if we got stocks that been halted for today. Fufu, EMAT, BWT, or DB what? Let's check those two. Vuvu and B what? Okay, both of them, they're not good. So this is leave us still with Lucy. Glue is pulling back a bit. BNAI pulling back a bit. Mask. CAPT pulling back as well. CVX and Amazon hit the scan. Anyway, I think we're gonna break the support right now for Lucy. Yeah, let's see for the second support here. Around the 167. Yeah, we pulled back a lot right now for Lucy because we hit almost the $2. Blue is still holding. BNAI is still holding. Karina. Yeah, the short just printing money. If we talking about big shorts, they will never lose because they always have nothing, a lot of money to short. Anyway, what's going on with Beyond Meat? Yeah, Beyond Meat, guys, is getting near critical zone right now. Yeah, let us talk about Beyond Meat because it's kind of interesting right now. Beyond Meat is getting near a major breakout zone, everybody. As we discussed before, we have to discuss because right now it is on the green side and we might have a squeeze before the end of this week, maybe tomorrow, Thursday or Friday. So let us discuss the first alert or the first squeeze sign for Beyond Meat because if it happened, it will be too late to jump in. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So, as we said, Beyond Meat is getting near the 96 resistance. Why this level is really important? Because first level that we test around this level, it was around the 29th of December. You see what happened here? We tested, we pulled back, and now we reverse after we tested the 80 cent and we have the first test on Monday this week. This week, guys, is not normal because we've got a big buyer for every dip. You see here, Monday, we have a dip, we reverse, someone bought again. Tuesday, we have a test, and Wednesday, the test is happening pretty soon, guys. So now we might have the breakout today, not even tomorrow. If we broke the 96, this is will make the short cover. Why? Because last time they almost covered here. It was on the 19th of December. And you see this week, the price didn't hold and the short seller added their position. That's why we pulled back a lot. So now, guys, this for the short to cover this time, we need to break the 96 and hold over it. And even if the short started to add up, if we have major buyer or big buyer coming in, this will make the short cover even more and make us squeeze until almost the $2 and over 100%, like what happened before here. We jumped almost 100% in few hours. So here we might have another over 100% to go toward the $2. If only if we break the 96, which is pretty near right now, and hold over it in order to go toward the 120 and over the $2. Because now we officially tested the bottom, as we discussed before, guys. We always do update for Beyond Meat and many other stocks, not even Beyond Meat, but last stock that we discussed was BNAI. As you can see here on our Discord, we already discussed this one on the 29th of December. Once this stock was around the $2.13, and we have entered around this one and around average $2.13, as you can see. And yeah, it did 100% in just 2 weeks from the last year, and now hitting a major resistance around the 489. So you see, from the $2 until 4. So BNAI was one of the top stocks that we traded from the last year until this year, because this one, every time we have a dip, we have a huge buyer. Hopefully we see this kind of scenario happen for Beyond Meat, this kind of buying pressure. You see this candle? This is what we want to see it happen for Beyond Meat right there around the 96. And once we break, we're gonna do update first on our Discord as usual, as we did the chart here for BNAI. The link in comment section below, guys. And of course, after that, we're gonna do it on our live streaming tomorrow. If you don't want to wait until tomorrow because it will be too late for Beyond Meat, you have to join our Discord and Patreon, of course, where we do update early in the pre-market and after we finish our live streaming. And our live streaming, we're gonna discuss again Beyond Meat tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Because before the market open, we always have some action for mini stocks. For MNTS Bud Monster, I will check it right away. We got uh-huh, yes. 96, yeah, 96, Karina's crazy level. 96 is a crazy level to be tested and to be broken from. MNTS, I think it is on the other list. Yeah, MNTS 26% did a really good reversal from the support around the 1118. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Now it need to break the 1342 to go up. So I'm gonna put Lucy because it reversed really good. MNTS on the main list as well here, guys. Glue is still okay. BNAI, I think it's time to exit from BNAI. And Mask is not for today. CAPT not for today. Let's see. BNAI, nope. So yeah, I'm gonna do a major update for those stocks really quick. AMOD start to reverse. SIDU, not much. Yeah, glue looking great. Okay, let us double check again if we got something hidden. Lucy is hitting the scan. Yeah, number one. NVVE right now. But I already checked NVVE, but I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like the technical that much. It's pulling back. In MRA, light on volume, pharmaceutical company jumping. Always a pharmaceutical company jumping on light volume, man, is easy manipulated. That's why I don't trade them, man. That's why I don't trade them, because if his light volume is easy to be manipulated, the slippage will be really high. So if you want to buy and exit at the same time, you have to lose at least 5%, 10% sometimes. And if you want to sell, you can't sell even after a few minutes or sometimes 30 minutes, man. So it's really not wise. I did that once I start trading. And yeah, it was nerve-wracking, man, because you want to exit and you can't. You can't exit. Lucy testing resistant, tested the $2 as we discussed, guys. Perfect, perfect for Lucy. And glue is still okay. So for today, from the stocks that we said, yeah, David asked me about what's the stock we should trade first. We said Lucy, ASPP, and glue. ASPP was not good, pulled back, so we took it from the list. From the three stocks, two of them were good, glue and Lucy. So you see, we always have three, sometimes five, and not all of them go up, guys. But for today, we have two. So it's good. It's like hunting, it's like catching fish. Not every fish you can hunt for all the fish. Some fish will be escaping, and the other we could actually catch and eat. Mm, no, the market looking strong, guys. Especially Palantir is going up. APLD looking strong. B looking strong. Plug, of course, going down. And AMD. But yeah, watch out for Palantir, guys. I think Palantir will be really good to watch today. And we might have a huge green day for Palantir today. Because there's someone bought big time for Palantir, guys, today around this level. Around the 177.96. So Palantir is the one, guys, to watch. You see, we have a gap on Monday, and then there's a big whale bot on Tuesday, and there's a big whale bot today around the 178. And it's backed today. Palantir will go toward the 180 to 90, and if we broke it, we're gonna have the 188. So we have a huge buy right now, guys, for Palantir. Watch out. Palantir is going to Valhalla. We have some catalysts talk about Palantir. They said is undervalued, and it is the top major AI play for this year. That's why the shift changed from a huge pullback and now is reversal. So we might have the all-time high again, guys, soon. Especially today, once we have a big buyer over the 178. Some big whale loading up, guys, and Palantir. Watch out, guys. Palantir is the only one is doing great and green. And it's not coincidence. It's mean there's a big whale buying Palantir, taking the blood. Look at this. Most stocks pulling back. So only one is Palantir. Lucy is pulling back, everybody. Lucy, the juicy, is pulling back. MNTS is looking okay, but glue looking great. Watch out, everybody. Watch out. How everybody doing? ASST is a unicorn, Karina. I don't trust unicorn that much, but it looks strong as well. $1.08. We have a broke out from 1.08. Now it's going toward the other level around the 118. So watch out for the 118 because if we broke it, it means we're gonna have a squeeze. Yeah, 118, guys, or just around the 120. ASST looking strong. As long as we hold the 90 cent, yeah, would be great. Let us do another check for the market if we got something halted. Fufu, unhalted. Yeah, today the market's not a lot of haltation. Halt history. Let's see halt history here and search for Beyond Meats if we got halted before. We got no, there is no trade halt for Beyond Meats. I think we halted before. Yeah, ASST still trying, guys. Still trying to go toward the squeeze zone. MSTR, I will check. Beyond Meat back in the green. Let's see. Beyond Meat, Beyond Meat, Beyond Meat. MSTR. This one is crypto play, guys. Is 7% MSTR. Holy baloney. MSTR is about to squeeze, guys. This is crazy. Yeah, thank you for the reminder, John. MSTR looking strong because started to reverse here from the bottom. Watch out, brother, for the 182.42. If we broke this resistance, MSTR would be great candidate to go there. Around the 182. Let's see how much we could do if we jumped. Yeah, we can do 6%. But this is depends on the cryptos because Bitcoin is down. Ethereum is down, everything is down, but technically still green in the big picture. It's still consolidating. Bitcoin is testing a major resistance here around the 94. It's want to go toward over the 100. So yeah, that's why we have a bit of green for MSTR. But MSTR got shorted a lot, so be careful. It's shorted a lot lately, so it need to break over the 171 to go up in the green. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the main list here to watch. Yeah, it is on the way to 100K, yes, but the major resistance has just been tested around the 96, I think. Beyond Meat, little green, nothing much. Uh-huh. Palantir, guys, is going toward the green side. As we said, guys, there's a big buyer for Palantir. It's going toward the 182.92. Palantir, guys, watch out. It is the main gainers for today. I think we're gonna have a huge green day for Palantir, at least 5% if everything went really good. We have to test the 182.92 right now, guys. Right now, let's see a squeeze for Palantir. The main event for Palantir is the 188.53, guys. This is, if we tested, will be the best level to be tested for Palantir. Let's go. Palantir 2%. Yes, 181. We need the 182 for Palantir for today. Palantir, we can do it. B is still interesting. B is still interesting here. Okay, is Palantir is getting near a major resistance. But yeah, 182.92, we should test it, guys, right now. Right now. Where's the balls? Okay, Lucy is pulling back. Glue is going up. MNTS. We have a breakout for it. Okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna do a major update for the stock that we're trading today. And we're gonna do it, of course, on our Discord and Patreon. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube channel. Thank you for the support, and of course, see you all back by tomorrow.